Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and today is going to be my first of 3 sneak peeks that you will see from me for Diamond Art Club's Black Friday. Obviously, it'll be on Black Friday, but it starts for Diamond and Ruby members at midnight. So Thanksgiving night at midnight, that's when you have access to the sneak peeks, and for everyone else it'll be 6 a.m. So this first one I'm going to show you is called Dragonling Valentine by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. And here's a bigger image of what it looks like. This one is a round drill with 56 colors and 2 AB. So a total of 32,984 drills. It is 43 by 61 centimeters. And let's get inside and see what we got. Okay. Here we go. Our canvas and drills. Here's our toolkit. And here is our journal sticker, which is a miniature sticker to put in your journal, or some people like to put them on the ends of their boxes. So whatever filing system you like to use for your stash. I like to put them in my journal book here, and that works for me. And here is the toolkit. We got, okay, it's all going to come all at once. Here is our tray and stopper. Okay, it goes in like that. And then we've got our drill pen and pen grip squishies. I've noticed they always match the pen with the squishy color. So we got yellow, and then you get a cover minder. This is a half macaroon in pink. Cover minders go on your diamond painting as you're working to hold back your cover. So you put the extra magnet underneath the canvas, and then you put this piece on top of your cover paper, and then they click together to hold back your cover, so that it keeps it out of the way, keeps it dust free, so you're not having to worry about getting dust on your diamond painting while you're working. And then you get a roll of washi tape, and you get 2 wax pads, heart-shaped and in pink, and they come in this little not dispenser, it's just a holder with the lid to keep it fresh. Then you get 2 multi-placers. You get a 7 and a 4. They are consumable. These do wear down over time, so I like to keep extras on hand. And then you get a bag full of baggies. So this has 56 colors. So this isn't gonna do. You're not gonna be able to kit up your entire kit, the diamond painting with this, but you can get started at least. So you have everything you need to actually just start on your diamond painting. And that's the great thing about their toolkits and they make it so, if you're in the car, you pick it up on your way out of town and you want to do it in the car, you could do it in the car. I actually made a video a long time ago, and they actually had it on their website for a while on how you can diamond paint in the car. And I've actually found a better way to diamond paint in the car since I made that video. If you're interested on how I do it, let me know down below, and I will see about making one for you. Okay, so let's look at the canvas. As you can hear in my voice, I am a bit sick. Everybody has bronchitis in the house. Let's show you what it looks like. Ooh, wow, that is larger than life. It is so beautiful. When I saw the picture, I'm like, I love it, because I love Jasmine Beckett Griffith to begin with, but just opening it up and seeing it, it's like just a pop. It's just like a zap. It's like, okay, it's so much more pretty once I got it opened up and see it from an angle here. Oh my Lord. I love dragons too. So she seems to do fairies and dragons and a lot of fantasy subjects. So I just love her work. All right. So we'll look at the canvas here in a minute and I'll show you those AB drills. You get your pamphlet. It's got lots of good information in here. So at least take a look over it before you move on to doing the diamond painting, especially if you are a first time purchaser from Diamond Art Club or first time diamond painter. But this here is a very convenient tool. It is a sticker page and it has your inventory, that these little stickers, they're singly cut. So you can just take them off one at a time and put them on your containers. It's got all the information you need or may want, and you can put a place where you started and ended when you started and ended it. Also, with Diamond Art Club, you can always tell which ones of their drills are going to be AB because they are numbered below 150. So if we look on here, that tells us that 114 and 141, numbers 1 and 2, are going to be a red AB and white. 141 is the most common. I see it in probably a good 80% of the kits when there's AB drills, which all of them have AB drills now, from Diamond Art Club. You're going to get white. It's just a really common color to use AB on because it gives your canvas a zap of sparkle wherever those ABs are, because they have a coating of AB coating. It's short for Aurora Borealis, and what it does is it shifts colors as you look at it from different angles. So they call it AB because it reminds us of the Northern Lights. All right, so let's look at this beautiful canvas. Oh my gosh. Let's start at the bottom and we'll see if we can point out where the AB drills go. Numbers 1 and 2. So 1, we're starting here with, there's a little spot of red and a little bit right there and there. And number 2 is white, so it's not going to be too hard to spot where the AB drills are going to be. Number 1, you're going to get more in the heart. It's not the main color, but you got a good chunk of it. So it goes around the outer edge right here, about like that. And then you get a bit of it in this section right here, right in there, like that. And then a little bit right there. Number 2, I see it in the dragon's eye. You get 3 of them. You get more of number 1 right there. And you get some 2s down here. I skipped it. Didn't see that. So there's just like 6 of them right there. And let's see. We also have a couple 1s in her eyes. Oh, that's interesting. She's got a couple of red spots in her eyes. Ooh, that's cool. Then you get a bunch of 2s right here. Not a ton of AB in this kit. It's not a very large one. So this is like, they'd say a medium-sized kit. It's still pretty big. You know, it's 40 by 60, 45 by 60. That's not small, but it's not one of your giant kits, and it's not one of the tiny beginner-friendly kits either. So this is on average, an average size. And you're looking at 56 colors. So you're going to get confetti in this. You do get some color blocking, especially here in the background. And the face. You know, the eyes are definitely confetti. There's a lot of colors going on there. You do get color changes quite a bit. This is not your typical, I was thinking of something else, but this is not your typical face where you get just one plain color. She does have a lot of shading in hers. But yeah, this is quite a bit confettied. You will get, like I said, you'll get some color blocking, you know, down here in her chest, the heart, but it's not much. It's mostly color blocked. And then there's just a few more ABs. I'll show you up here at the top. We've got right in here some 2s. You just get a little bit of 2s in here. There's not a whole lot. There's a little bit there, and that's it from what I can see. So yeah, there's a 2 in each eye, 1 in each of the eyes. But that's, well, there's a couple here and right there. But no, that's basically, yeah, I've covered the whole thing there, and that is where you're going to have your AB drills. It's really pretty. I mean, I love the eyes, especially. Those always draw me in. Oh, wow. So this, she's actually, I just noticed this. Those are angel wings, it looks like. I don't think that's part of the, maybe it's part of the dragon. I can't tell. So this part right here and right here, those are wings. But they look like bird wings. So I don't know if it's from the dragon or if they're her wings. That's cool. All right, so let's look at the drills. I did want to say the canvases do have the serged edges, and they are scalloped, so they don't fray. You get your key on the top left and the bottom right, and the canvas is made out of tarpaulin, which is a velvety type material that makes it so your canvas is self-flattening, and it will retain color for a lifetime. All right, drills. We've got, okay, our first strip of colors. I'm just going to run through them real quick here. I'll stop when we get to the ABs and get you a close look. Here's the red AB. You can see how the light shines on those. And you can see it way more than on the regular drills. How they give you that zap of sparkle. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that color. And more. And there's my favorite red and my favorite purple right next to each other. Oh. And here's our white AB. So both ABs are in this same strip. And there you can actually see the coating a lot easier because for some reason white, it shows up best on those drills. And our next strip. Like an accordion. Lots of pinks. Yeah, lots of different pinks. I wonder if there's every pink in the DMC line gonna be in this one. All right, no duplicates so far. All right, and our last one. Okay. These got a little bit more in these bags, but as you can see, there's a lot of colors, but there's a lot of bags with just a little amounts in them. Yeah, so we still don't have anything that has, well, here we go. Bite my tongue. 2 bags of 647. And of course, I think black will be another one. Yeah, no, wow, only 1 bag of black. Amazing. All right, so there we go. That is the first sneak peek. I'm sure you guys have a lot of sneak peeks to watch. I'm not sure how many are being released for Black Friday. I know that just on Saturday they released 12 pre-Black Friday diamond paintings, and I think maybe they did that to kind of, because last year I think they released like 80 on Black Friday, and that was so much. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I've got 3, and I have specific times that they're going to be posting, so it's going to be wham, it's going to be bam, 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 bam. They're going to just be coming out constantly, I think. You watch one and another one's going to come up, or they're going to have them all come up on one day at the same time. I don't know. I don't think it's that way, but just keep an eye out on the Diamond Art Club Facebook page, because that's, or their Instagram, and that's where you're going to be able to find out. I don't know how they're going to do it, how they're going to announce it or whatnot. But I know if you want to find out from me which ones are going to be released, which ones I'm going to show, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get a notification anytime I post a new video or go live. And if you could like the video, that would be wonderful. I would really appreciate it. Thank you to all my subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video. So have fun diamond painting and shopping on Black Friday if you're going to do that. And don't forget to sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.